Hello, hello, hello. Mwese muraho, murakomeye. Hello, hello. Welcome to this lesson, Kinyarwanda lesson. This lesson is very, very interesting for you because we are going to continue our topic, our lessons, learning Kinyarwanda from news, actually. So I have chosen for you, I chose for you a phrase that is saying in Kinyarwanda. Let me read it first. Trump aragenzura leta yose ariko ntibizatuma buri gihe akora icyo yishakiye. Trump aragenzura leta yose ariko ntibizatuma buri gihe akora icyo yishakiye. Let me repeat again. Trump aragenzura leta yose ariko ntibizatuma buri gihe akora icyo yishakiye. So let us now interpret this phrase and learn from this phrase. So if you guess, the first one is about Trump. Actually, Trump, that is the name of Trump. There is no equivalent in Kinyarwanda, so that's his name. This is a president. This title is about is talking about Trump, actually. So it's very easy to know. And the second one is aragenzura. So Trump, he's doing something. So he genzura, control. He's controlling something. So aragenzura, it's coming from kugenzura. So this is third person in singular. Aragenzura. So you can say ndi kugenzura. I am controlling. Aragenzura. He control or he's controlling actually. Okay? Leta. Leta does mean state or a country. It can be a country. It can be an institution. It can be many institutions. So leta, that is institution. I'm running an institution. Negeka leta. Okay? Yos, that is the whole state. It's not all actually. That is the whole. Yos, when we say yos, that is all whole. Ariko, that is but, okay, but something, but. So inside two phrases, you say ariko, but. So something you want to say something different. You have started with something and then you say ariko is but. You know about what's meaning. Ni vizatuma. Ni, that is a negative thing. So you say ni is not actually. Ni is not. Ni vizatuma will not allow. Gutuma, that is the to allow actually. Ni vizatuma is mean will not allow. It won't allow actually. Wuri, that is every wuri. Jihe, time. Jihe is time. You can say ijihe, the time. Jihe, time. Ijihe, the time. Okay? Akora, to do. Gukora, it's doing. Digukora, I am doing. Arigukora, he is doing. Okay? Urigukora, you are doing. Barigukora, they are doing. Icho, what? Icho, that is what? Okay? Yishakiye. Yishakiye, that is coming like also, he wants. So to want something is to gushaka. To want is gushaka. So yishakiye, he wants. Okay? So if you say the whole phrase now, if you combine everything, we translate this phrase, this means Trump controls all the institutions, but that won't let him do whatever he wants. Okay? If we go back, actually, you see that really, again, Trump, that is Trump. Aragenzura, he control. Leta, state. Yose, all. Ariko, but. Ntibizatuma, will not allow. Buri every gihe, every time, buri gihe, akora, do, icyo, what, yishakiye, he wants, okay? Trump control all the institutions, but that won't let him do whatever he wants. So now you understand this phrase. So I want you to learn these following verbs. So if you forget everything, at least write down these phrases and try to catch them, to understand them, and to remind you about this four vocabulary. So kugenzura is to control. Kugenzura. So Trump aragenzura. To genzura, to control. To allow, gutuma, okay? Gutuma, allow. Gukora, to do, okay? This one is famous to do. I'm doing ndigukora, arigukora, okay? And then gushaka is to want. So this one are very important. Those phrases: to control, kugenzura, to allow, gutuma, to do, gukora, to want is gushaka. So the technique you can use now is, after this video, write down this phrase, write down these 4 phrases, okay, and try to combine them by yourself. Try 1, 2, 3 times. After 3 days, come back to the next video. I'm going to show you or to teach you. And then if you repeat it regularly, then you may catch some of the words in order to learn Kinyarwanda. So good luck, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.